This is organic product that will give you this result, maximum result in just 7 days. You see, hello, I doubled my broiler growth in just 7 days. Truth farmers hide about fast weight gain. This video will reveal all the secrets for you. How to double the growth of your broilers in just 7 days. This is the content of this particular video. If you want to watch this video to the end and get the best knowledge, make sure you don't skip any track at all. Double the growth of your broilers in just 7 days. I'm going to give you all the tips and secrets you need to apply to double the growth of your broilers just 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get amazing weight of broiler. You can see these broilers are just 6 weeks. See their weight, you can see their body shape. This is only meat. I also give you the feed formula that will give you this maximum result. Make sure you watch to the end. And if this topic interests you, give it a thumb up, like, share, and drop your comment. If you have any question regarding this topic, drop it on the comment section. I will also answer you and give you more details. Let's get to the main video. You need Eco Bio Booster. This is one of the best secrets first. Are you seeing it? This is Eco Bio Booster. This is organic product that will give you this result, maximum result in just 7 days. The secret will be revealed in this video. Don't skip any part. You can see all these 6 Swiss broilers. You can see them here. See them, 6 Swiss. Amazing weight. This is just 6 Swiss broilers with amazing results, and you double this growth in just 7 days with these methods, tricks, and hacks. You're going to review. You're going to know them in this particular video. I'll review all from beginning to the end. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers as we go on. You can see their water. This is not ordinary water. You can see the color of this water. This is to tell you that it is. You can see the color from the container. It is mixed with organic extract. This is Eco Bio Booster mixed, and this is what they are drinking. This is what they are taking. You can see it here. Hello, I doubled my broiler growth in just 7 days. Truth farmers hide about fast weight gain. This video will reveal all the secrets for you. In this video, I will reveal how I doubled my broiler growth in just 7 days using simple but powerful techniques most farmers ignore. You will learn the exact feeding strategy, management practices, and hidden mistakes that slow down broiler growth. If you want faster weight gain, better feed conversion, and higher profit in poultry farming, this video will change your results completely. If you are not be making profit in poultry farming, watch the video to the end and you see the result coming. Are you a broiler farming? You look at this particular video, just 7 days difference. Same chicks, same poultry farm, same owner, but double the growth. Most farmers are doing this wrong, in a wrong manner, and it's costing them money. Today, I will show you exact things you need to do to get the best results from your broiler farm. If your broiler weighs 2 kg and you want to sell them in 1 week time, you can double that weight in just 7 days with this secret. If your broilers are not growing very fast and very well, you are wasting feed, and feed is the most expensive part of poultry farming. In this video, I will show you how I improved my broiler growth rate in just 7 days using simple practical steps. Step 1, the problem. You need to dictate the problems. Why the broilers are not growing? Most farmers complain: slow growth rate, high feed consumption, small birds at 4 weeks. I don't know what is wrong with them. They will complain the poo-poo is, or the droppings is like this color and this color. The truth is not the best. It is management. If you manage them very well, if you use all the tricks and strategies in this particular video, you get the best result. Secondly, feeding secret. What I changed first: fresh feed with powerful feed formula. Start with 23% crude protein. If you can make it 24, yes, at the early stage of their life, they can still convert 24% crude protein with 6% fat. They can do that. This is not sold in the market. You don't get this feed in the market. Don't use company. This company is the best company. No matter how best the company is, they can be best than themselves. What they produce is for market. It's not for themselves. So you need to produce the feed for yourself because you have a need. You have a result you want to achieve. You can only achieve that result if you tailor it to suit your purpose. Feeding 4 to 5 times daily, not once or twice. Proper feed space. Keep the feeders at a very good distance so that all the broilers, all the birds will eat at the same time. Some will finish their own and rush to the other ones, push other ones away. Those ones will not be growing. So make sure you have a very good space. Results will tell you that you are doing the best thing. Best, eat more and grow faster if they have enough space. Stage 3, water is the real secret here. Clean water. Many farmers ignore this. Some farmers will tell you their chicks are drinking too much. They will just put the water, keep water for them in the morning. You will not see them again until they go out and come back in the evening and there is no water. Let me tell you, once there is no water in their drinker, they will stop eating. And once they stop eating, the growth they would have gotten through that period will not be there any longer. So they need clean water for better digestion. I change water 2 to 3 times daily. Even if the water is there and that water is dirty or hot, they don't like warm water. Change the water to a fresh water because growth improves immediately. They drink enough water and convert their feed. Section 4, temperature control. If you're a poultry farmer, you need what we call thermometer. Either you have the digital thermometer or this analog type. Any one is good for you. So as you know the temperature in your poultry pen. See, this is a thermometer also. This is analog. You can, if you have digital, you can still keep the digital one. I have the digital, I have the analog. Make sure you have it in your poultry house. Mount it in one corner of your poultry house. Not close to the window, not close to the airspace. Mount it at the center so that you will be able to know the average temperature in that poultry pen. If the temperature is too high, they will not eat. They won't eat. And they won't grow. If they don't eat, how will they grow? Is it not feed that make them grow? I maintain proper brooding temperature and feed intake increases at the early stage of their life. And once they gain enough weight at the early stage of their life. Growth is there, weight is there. They will hardly drop it once your feeding is consistent and proper management. Section 5 is health management. I make use of this Eco Bio Booster. This is what I make use of. This is my organic product. I use it from beginning, from day one till market stage. Add it in their water always. And I make use of this Cure. They don't contact coccidiosis at all. So they live healthy. This product is just, see it, this is just 55,000 naira, 5 liters, 55,000 naira. How to make use of it is here also. Everything is here. All the details about the product is here. You don't need anybody to tell you how to make use of it. Just little quantity in their water on daily basis. Every time you have water, make sure you add it to their water and you see them growing very fast. It is made up of amino acids, vitamins and minerals that is necessary to calm their stress down and make them eat well, and at the same time convert the feed to get the maximum growth you need. Healthy birds is equal to faster growth. I prevent coccidiosis totally. Make sure their poultry pen is always clean to avoid coccidiosis, to avoid stress, and to avoid any outbreak of infection, either viral or any form at all. If they are infected in any way, that will retard their growth. They will not grow, and you will not achieve that result you needed. Section 6 is the result. Within 7 days, weight increased significantly. You get massive weight within 7 days. Feed conversion improves. Birds become more active. This is what double my growth rate in 7 days. Section 7, what you must avoid during this period. Avoid underfeeding. Avoid dirty water. Avoid overcrowding and avoid poor ventilation completely. When we talk about ventilation, people don't know what we call ventilation. When you are building your poultry pen, build it in a professional manner. Don't worry, the next video after this we go straight on how to construct poultry house. After that is how to take care of young chicks from day one. The poultry house, if you watch that video that is loaded after this video, either in this channel or the next channel, you will know how to construct a poultry house. If your poultry house is not in that manner, go back and renovate it and create enough ventilation for them. Birds, especially broilers, need enough ventilation, cross ventilation from the south side, east side, north and west side. Even on the roof should be cross ventilated so that they get enough air. Fresh air is good for their growth. These mistakes are why many farmers fail. Section 8 is the profit impact. When birds grow faster, you save feed, you sell earlier, and you make more profit. I know some farmers that calls me. They say, I'm about to sell my chickens this week, but they are not healthy. The weight is not enough. In fact, I even called the buyers. They came and checked them, and the weight is not good at all for them. They don't like the weight, and they have ignored the birds and go. So in this manner, if you apply all the tricks and strategies I'm giving in this video, you get that massive weight in just 7 days. You achieve a very good result. You make more profit. Please, if you find this particular video very helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with other farmers. In the next video, I will show you how to grow your broiler up to 3 kg in 6 weeks with good poultry pen construction. I'm going to show you how to construct your poultry house, the level of the block you need, so that you will have enough ventilation. Don't fail to watch that video. And if you're not our channel member, what are you waiting for? Join the channel membership immediately, please, so that you contribute to the growth of this channel. It's just a token you drop at the end of every month. It's nothing. Just to make sure you encourage us to make more videos that will help you in your poultry farm. Most of you that are already our channel members, may God continue to bless and prosper you in your business. You are doing well. I encourage that, and make sure you continue renewing your membership on monthly basis. Thank you. Share this video, and if you need our Eco Bio Booster to grow your broiler in 7 days, see the number on the screen. Send message on my WhatsApp. If you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic we have treated, always drop it on the comment section. And if you are a channel member, this channel will give you a tag that indicates that you are a channel member. So anytime you drop your question will reach me immediately, and I will answer your question no matter the time. Please stop calling me on phone call or video calls. Always drop your questions on the comment section. I will answer them at my own pace. You are not paying me. Most of you are not even channel members. You're not even contributing to anything in this channel at all. You only watch if you like to watch and you go. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video very soon. For now, bye.